Hey everyone, Maz from the Figaro shop parts department here, and today we're going to focus on the front and rear roof bows of the folding roof of the Nissan Figaro. Now, the way that the roof works is, we all know it's got the a vinyl folding roof, but in order for it to fold, there's a big scissor mechanism that folds back into the boot. Now, in order for that mechanism bolts to one, the rear window frame, and the second one is the front roof bow, which I've got an old one here. So it bolts in, so if you look, that's the front of the car. It bolts in here, and obviously the same on the other side. Now, as you can see with this one is actually not too bad. Corrosion sets in quite badly when it's starting to split. Usually they corrode all the way in here, so these bits here break off. We have tried to salvage this once before, and you can see it hasn't really worked. You know, there's bits missing here. This is where your cable tensioners fit up. So yeah, this one's past its usable function. So what we've done here at the Figaro shop is that we have manufactured brand new replacements for the front and the rear roof bows. So these are made in the UK, and all these bits here are all laser cut templates, and then this is all put into a form and then hammer formed to shape. It's made of two halves, which, as you can see, are all spot welded together. They're then zinc plated to protect the inside bits where you can't get to them, and then painted afterwards. These are a direct replacement for the original, and that's the front one, and then that's the rear one here. And if you can see, there's little bits missing here and here, and this is where your tensioner cables that run down the length of the roof to keep the vinyl taut. These are a direct bolt-on, no modifications needed, and will mean that your roof, once you change it, will never have to be touched again. They're adjustable to an extent on your lateral arms that go here on your folding mechanism, so you can ensure that gets a perfect seal up against the roof seal as well. These are available on our website, so head over to www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk, head to the parts department. If you do a little search for roof bow, they'll come up. You can buy them individually or as a kit. Thank you very much.